Okay, so in this video, we are going to see that pending assignments that I have given to you guys. Okay, so who want to share first? Suma, do you want to go?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go.
Yeah.
Uh, I think I'm sharing, right? Let me stop my sharing.
Yes.
You can start. You can share your. Okay, you can share. Okay, so there was one task for Suma, you right? The top 5 best selling products and then top 5 best selling products city-wise. And same way for
Hmm.
Sangram, top 5 customer by maximum spent, and then top 5 customers by spent, I think city-wise, maybe.
Yes, sir.
Low spend. Yeah.
Right. Okay. So for Suma is the top 5 best selling products.
So
Okay, good.
this was my question, sir. Top 5 best-selling product.
Right.
So this is the query I've written. You
Right. Okay.
can check it once. I'll just execute it once.
Yeah.
So
So got
these
this.
are our top 5 selling products.
But there is only 3
We
products,
have
right?
like only 5 products, sir. Yeah,
Okay.
we have like
Okay.
only 5 products. Yeah.
Got it.
And upon that, I have grouped by the product name. Product category, I didn't do it, I guess. Once, can you check, sir, if this is right or not? I'll just yeah.
Okay, so question to both of you. Okay, okay. Can you execute this query
Mhm.
again, Suma, from 69 to
Yes,
75
sir.
line number? Okay,
Yeah,
okay. Now
yeah.
see, this is the you executed the query. Okay, that's fine. So this is on delivered, and then yeah, product is also correct. So based on the delivered products, you are finding the top 5 best selling products, right? So how you identifying the
Yes,
sum of quantity, right? A sum
yeah.
of quantity.
Like sold quantities.
Yeah, sold quantity, but
Yeah.
what do you think? Okay, let's say, okay, there are the two scenarios, right? So let's say you are selling one products having the price is 10 rupees, and you are selling, let's say you are selling 10 products, right? 10 rupees. So
Mhm.
it becomes 100 rupees. And you are selling one products
Mhm.
which worth rupees 500 rupees, right? So there are the two scenarios. Yes. So even though so you are finding the top selling product based on the quantity, right? So
Yes, sir. Like
so
I took it as top sold products, like the quantity sold per product.
yeah, so instead of that,
Yeah.
can we go with the can what do you think? Okay, Suma and Sangram. Okay, so when it comes, when I'm
Um,
saying the top 5, when I'm saying a best selling product, what do you think? Is the quantity matter, or the
yes,
revenue
sir.
revenue matter?
I feel see, sir, the price differs from product to product. So I feel if we are looking for top selling products, the price, I don't think so. It doesn't matter. I'm not sure,
Mm-hmm.
but
No,
this is
okay.
how I took it. Like top selling product in the sense, how many products have been sold per product.
That's right. Okay, so there
Yeah,
are the two scenarios, right? So based on,
yeah.
let's say, top 5 products, that means
Mm,
how many products got sold, right? But there is
mm.
another one more scenario, right, where you have to check, right? So what is the
Yeah,
price for that? So as I said, right, so 10 rupees
yeah.
products, you are selling 10 products, it becomes 100
Mm.
rupees. But at the same time, I'm just selling the two products, but worth rupees 500 rupees. So my revenue will be my 1000 rupees, right? So
Mm.
your point of view, that is correct, that total count, right? So total count.
Yeah.
You are creating this logic based on the total
Mm.
number of sold items. But as a business, I will think, okay, what would be the top best selling product for me that giving me the more revenue, right? So from my point of view, right? You got it? From the business point of view,
That I got it, sir.
yeah,
Yeah, you are saying like the quantity into the price, that would be our top selling product.
yeah, right. So that's what. So because see, end of the day, we are writing this and we are writing this logic for the business to help the business to build their
Hmm.
marketing strategy, right? So we have to
Yes,
think
sir.
from the business point of view, not from maybe our point of view. Okay, we have to think from the business
Yeah.
point of view how we can help them to understand what are the
Um,
top five best selling products based
one
on the revenue. Okay, so you can,
one very, sir. Like
yeah, yeah.
I had shared you one in this
Hmm,
video. You remember, like I shared you. In
hmm.
that there was this same question,
Okay,
business
okay,
requirement question.
good, good.
So
Okay.
like I had like solved that. So probably that's why I thought that is the same
No, 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 that's okay.
query.
Absolutely fine.
Yeah.
Suma, see, that is absolutely fine. Okay, what I'm saying,
Hmm.
even these are the two scenario for us. We have the two learnings today. Okay, so even if you
Got it,
not
sir.
write this query,
Yeah.
might be if I help you guys to write this query, maybe I will tell you that
Mhm.
okay, go with the revenue. But now in the interview, if they ask you one question, so just
Mhm.
imagine you can give this two queries and you can tell them, right? So this is the based on the quantities and this is based on the revenue.
Mhm.
Okay, right?
Yes, sir.
But generally, it
Yeah.
we are generally
I
we are,
can add it now,
yeah.
like
So
quantity into price.
yeah, quantity into price and then okay. And one more thing, okay. So there is only
Yes,
three
sir.
products, right? There's
Yes, sir.
only three products. So how you can
No.
identify that your query is working fine to get top five
Mhm.
products, best selling
Yes,
products?
sir.
Wh- What is the workaround for that, Sangram, Suma?
First,
What's
we'll have to sum up all the products total, and then we see like
no, 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 that's okay.
Or we
total
can add, yeah, more.
total revenue. That's what you said.
Right. But yeah, Sangram, you
Yeah.
catched it right, because what I'm saying that whatever the query you are writing, logic is good now. Okay, if you are executes, you will still get the three products, right? Can you execute this?
Mhm. Yes,
Can you
sir.
execute this?
Yeah.
Can you execute
I
this?
have executed. Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay. So Suma keep that version as well
Yeah.
along with you. Just copy paste this into the new event and control Z. Okay. So you will have the two versions of the best selling products to
Yeah.
identify the best selling. Okay. So keep that backup as well. Okay.
Yes, sir.
With you based on the, and
Yeah.
just give the comment that okay. So best selling product based on the quantity sold, and then just you add the comment.
Hmm.
Okay. Best selling product
Yes, sir.
based on the revenue generated. Okay. So now
Yes,
you
sir.
have the two understandings. Okay. So that sounds good. Okay. That's not a
Hmm.
problem,
Yes,
because
sir.
see, you are trying, that is good for me, because until unless you are not trying, how you will come to know that who is right and wrong? And there is no nothing right or
Yes, sir.
wrong. Okay, there
Yeah.
is your point of view and this is
Yeah.
my point of view. So these are the two scenarios for us.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so don't worry on that part. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
that's now you can see that, right? So based on when you go for the quantity, you can see that iPhone is always on top, right? And that's
Hmm.
exactly that
Yes, sir.
exactly that gives the clear picture and the real time scenario, right? So everyone know that, right? So iPhone is very
Yeah.
expensive. So even you sell some 10 or 15
Hmm.
products of 10 or 15 quantity of the iPhone, that becomes my what I can say, the best selling products. And even everyone know that, right? So that these are the expensive products
Hmm.
that is always on the top, right? So when they're booming, right? So everyone know, right?
Hmm.
iPhone is booming. So you can get these results, and
Yeah.
even looking at these results easily you can see that, right? Yes, now that report is looking correct, right?
Hmm.
Something like
Yes,
that.
sir.
Okay, so just add comment. Okay, so now your report is correct, that product name is this, and this is total quantity sold. Okay, and order by you did this, that is absolutely right. So naming convention is perfect. You used okay, few things you have to make it capital, some as from. Okay, and that's okay.
Yes, sir.
And no, the machine keywords, right? Like some, that thing.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
and okay, so product master is correct. You did join with order header details. Then you did join with order headers. Okay, okay, good. I think query looks good. Can I go with only order details table and do the join with the product masters? Why I need order header?
Because in order header, I guess, what do we have? Let me check, sir, once. We have order status. That's what we are taking in our where statement. We
From
have to mention the delivered one,
okay, so you are
like
taking
where,
order headers. Okay, from
yeah,
order headers you
because
are
of
taking
that.
this. Okay, and
Yeah.
in order details you are getting the quantity and unit price, right? Okay, sounds good. Okay, that's what I
Yes, sir.
actually I want to
Yeah.
check, means your understanding, at what level you're understanding, or you're just writing the SQL queries. Okay, so sounds
Yeah.
good. Good catch. Okay, where is your SP?
Here. Where is it? Ah, yeah, it's here.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, can you execute this query now?
Yes, sir.
USP. Okay.
Again, it's by total quantity sold. I have to alter it.
Yeah, can you do that? Create or
Yes,
alter
sir.
only. Just do the
Yeah.
create or alter, and it will work. Yeah, but your logic is still remains same, right? So you have to change that logic.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Just do change there. Okay. Okay. Sounds good. Okay. That looks perfect. Okay. Now these are my top 5 best selling products. Okay.
So, one more doubt I had.
Tell
Because
me.
we are taking top selling product, we have category also.
Yeah,
So should we consider
n-
that?
no, that is again a good question, Suma. Okay. So first of all,
Yeah.
let's say I'm a sales manager. Okay. In, let's say, in
Hmm.
Pune, and I want to sell top 5
Yes.
products, irrespective of city, irrespective of state, irrespective of anything.
Hmm.
Okay, let's say I'm a global manager of India, and I just want to check the top 5 best selling products in India. No
Hmm.
state, no
Yes.
category, no city, that's it. And let's say I
Okay.
got these 5 products, so I am going to remarketing this or using some strategies to,
Hmm. Hmm.
get how I can promote this top 5 or top 10 products in India. Definitely, then I will go
Okay.
in deep. Okay, now let's say
Okay.
these are the top 5 products. Now let's see these top 5 products, where is in which city they are actually booming. So then I will
Hmm.
go city wise, then I will go state wise, I will go category wise, like this. Okay, so we can generate some
Okay.
multiple reports, no doubt. Okay,
Yeah.
so that's exactly, if you can see in the Power BI where that all that options. So okay, we will filter. First
Hmm.
we will go for the top 5, then we'll go by city wise, we will go state
Hmm.
wise, we will go category wise. So all that steps we will do in the Power BI. Okay,
Yes.
and that will be the interactive. Okay, so right
Yeah.
now I don't want to go in more depth. Okay, so just
Hmm.
now this is for top 5 products. Now you can create one SP for category wise as well, right? You just have to
Yes, sir.
make a just matter of
Yeah.
group by, and it will work. So right
Yes, sir.
now one more thing is, right, so we have to create based on the city, or was it state wise or city wise? uh
City, sir. This
City wise. Okay, so we have
question
the
for me
limited.
was by city. Yeah.
Yeah, we have limited data, right? So yeah,
Yes, sir.
before that, okay, so I want to check you have created these 3 products, right? So my question is, right, so when you execute this query, you are getting only 3 products, right? Because in database there is
Hmm.
only 3 products. But how I can
Hmm.
confirm that my logic is working correct, and these are the top 3 products or top 5 products, how you can identify? So as Sangram said, right, so you have to add more data into that, and you have
More
to
data. Yeah.
you have to identify that, is that my data is correct. Okay, so you have to check in the data, you have to add 5 more
Hmm.
products, and then you have to manually identify these are my top 5 products, and then execute your SQL query and try to understand, yeah, now this top 5 products coming. So that's been my
Yeah.
SQL query is working fine, right? So that we already
Yes.
did in the 2 sessions, right? So that's
Yes.
exactly I'm expecting from you guys as well. So add some dummy data into that, is identify that yes, my query is working correct. Because see,
Hmm.
tomorrow in the next sessions when we'll add the records in lakhs, you are not able to identify this manually, isn't it?
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and that's the reasons in first two sessions we added some sample data to identify that what query we are writing is working correctly. Are we getting the expected results, right? Like that. So just try to do that same as well, because right now, okay, I can see that your SQL query is correct and it's working fine. But just to get you the more confidence, right? Try to add some
Yes.
more products into this, and let's say you have already three products. Try to add five more products, okay? And then you have the eight products. Okay, and then analyze the data manually, identify, yeah, so out of that eight products, these are my five products are booming. Okay, and then
Yes, sir.
test this. Okay, so this is how you can play with the
Yes,
data,
sir.
understand this data. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so okay, so sounds good. Okay, so this is your first query. Okay, second query.
Top selling product by city.
Correct.
Yeah. Again, I'll have to change here, I guess, into price.
Right.
Right.
Okay, sounds good. City, iPhone, Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and then Pune. Okay, that report is also looks good. That your this is your product at top, right? And then based on that city, and then your total product, total quantity sale sold. No, it is total revenue generated, right? Total quantity
Which
sale.
one, sir? This one? Yeah,
Alias
yeah.
is given, right? So instead of that, we have to give
Yeah.
total sale. You can call it the total sale, or right? Okay, that sounds good. So so in the first query, we did just only group by product, right? Because we want on, we
Yes,
don't
sir.
want to categorize on anything, right? So just want top five products. And then in this case, we want a city wise. So we just did a group by city wise, right? And we got this results,
Yes.
right? So are we good with that SQL queries? If I ask you in the next mock interview, if I ask anything related to this 6 to 7 questions, are you good to write this SQL query?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, good. So keep practicing. Okay. Very soon I will take your one more mock interview where I want to check your all these basic things, right? So joins, group by, order by, where, distinct, top five, like
Yes,
this.
sir.
Okay. So okay, perfect. Sounds good.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. See. So you are passing city as a parameter.
Yes, sir.
In that city,
Yes, sir.
in that city, what are the top five products, right? Okay. Okay. I got it.
Yes, sir.
Perfect,
Yeah.
perfect,
By
perfect.
city.
City-wise top five products. Sounds good. Okay. So you
Yes, sir.
understand how to pass the parameter, how to use that parameter in USP, right?
Yes, sir.
Hands-on. Are you getting good enough hands-on? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yeah. After doing it, yeah, there was
Okay.
some clarity.
Okay.
Yeah.
That helping you to boost your confidence, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Sounds good. Okay. So as I said, step by step, we are doing some additions in our projects to make it productions ready, right? So always remember,
Yes, sir.
right? So that SP is by default created in which schema? Which schema?
Space.
By default, you have created this SP, right? So there is a schema, right? So in which schema this SP is created? What is that
Uh,
default schema?
USP? No.
No, no,
No.
schema name. I said a
Schema
schema name.
name.
Okay. Can you go to the database,
Um,
browse your database? Just plus, click on plus your database. Yes, there.
yeah.
Click.
Yeah.
Okay, click. Your ta
Programmability or something?
Yeah, vulnerability.
Yeah.
Your
Yeah.
tables or your store procedures in which default schema it is created. Okay, just click on that plus sign, store procedure. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Can you see that in
DBO?
which exactly, right? So this is the default
Yeah.
schema, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
when you create any table or any store procedure or any functions, and if you are not mentioning the schema, by default it's created in DBO schema, right?
Okay.
Right. Last time also we discussed on this. Okay, can you go to the
Yeah.
table plus sign?
Which one, sir? Table?
Plus sign, yeah, plus sign, yeah. Click there. Yeah. Can you see that all the tables get created into the DBO?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. Okay. So
Okay.
okay. So now the assignment for you guys. Okay. So see, to get a better performance. Okay. So always you have to mention your schema. Okay. So
Hmm.
maybe in the advanced level we'll create a different schema, and over there we'll add our store procedures or tables. Okay, but right now at least what you can do, at least in the create alter procedures you can mention your schema name. Okay, so see, can you run the line number 129? Before that, can you add execute, after execute can you add dbo dot dbo?
Here, sir.
Yeah, dbo.
Okay. DBO dot.
Yeah, dot wait. And Pune is you passed, okay, but the right way is to you have to pass this in a single quote. Okay, so can you pass Pune in a single quote? Pune.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
because you are passing as a character, right? So you have to pass in a single quote.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, that was missed from my side. Okay, no problem. If I execute this, will it work?
This one, sir. It
If you
should, I
execute
guess.
this,
Let me check. Yeah.
perfect. So it's working, right? So this is how Pune is passing to you. Okay, so i- in upcoming videos we are going to do that schema evaluations where we will not pass the Pune. Instead of Pune we'll pass the city ID.
Hmm.
Instead of state we'll pass the state ID. Okay, so that we'll check
Hmm.
in later. Okay, but I
Okay.
think for now that sounds good. Okay, I hope you practice this well, you had
Hmm.
good hands-on, and I hope that helps you to get more
Yes.
confidence. Okay,
Yes,
sounds
sir.
good. Okay, so what you have to do, okay, and now can you create an alter procedures? Can you add dbo dot there? Dbo dot,
Hmm. Yeah.
yeah, dbo dot, yeah. Can you execute this now? Okay, now we
Yeah.
are moving towards productions ready code, right? So this sounds very professional code. Okay,
Hmm.
okay.
Yes,
Hmm.
sir.
Execute this now again. It should work, no problem. Okay, perfect, sounds good. So just do one thing. Okay, so all your objects add this dbo schema, okay, in every, okay. And even for standard practice, what you
Yeah.
can do in your select query, can you for all your tables, can you add dbo dot, okay, in the same SQL query,
Uh,
same SP from the line number 120. Okay,
120.
for every tables you have to add a schema, line number 120. So there is table, right? So instead of before that
Yes, sir.
tables, you have to add a dbo dot. Okay, so that,
Okay, like DBO dot order item
yeah,
details.
so the performance wise it's very
Okay.
easy for SQL engine to
Uh,
understand this table is available in the this schema. Okay, so your executions will be more faster. Okay, because it will understand easily your schema is there, right? So let's say it's like if I can correlate with the real-time scenario. Let's say if I ask you, to get the show, let's say I ask you, you know let's find out the watch. Okay, and if I ask you, your watch is,
hmm.
your watch in your watch is in mistakenly in, let's say your watch is in kitchen, and you are looking for a watch in
Hmm.
bedroom. But if I tell you that get your watch from the kitchen, so it is easy, right? So because if I'm explicitly saying to you, right,
Yes.
get your watch from the kitchen, right? So this is how it works. But the real time thing is that in kitchen we keep the kitchen stuff, in bedroom we keep the bedroom stuffs, right? So that's why the this is how the schema is generated. So I can keep order
Okay.
related, sales related, all the tables and store procedure in sales schema.
Hmm.
Okay, so if I have something related to the admin and the login related, so I what how I can keep this, I will keep this in a login schema. Okay, so in that login schema I will user ID, password, that tables related data, that tables I will create in let's say in admin schema. Okay, because that is
Hmm.
related
Hmm.
to the login credentials and admin related. So this is how you can separate the things. Okay, and that will be easy for you to get the faster. Okay, so this is how it will work. Okay, so you can
Yes.
add a dbo for all the products, Kuma. So you
Yes.
can add a dbo for all the tables, sorry, I mean. for all the
Yeah.
tables, right? And
Yeah.
it looks professional now. Okay, your code is looks good. Okay, sounds good.
Yeah.
So do this for all your objects. Create table also. When you're creating create tables, you have to add a dbo dot. Okay.
Hmm. Yes,
For
sir.
all your SPs, for all your objects, for whenever you're doing joins or something, whenever you are using this table and the SPs, you have to add a DBO. Okay. Will that work?
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So I think your things is correct, and
Hmm.
I think I'm running bit late. Running late with the time actually. So maybe Sangram, your queries we will check tomorrow. But before that, Sangram, can you change that schema actually? Otherwise, it will create. See, end of the day, you
Yeah,
have to
I have
also.
changed.
You have changed. Very good. Okay, very good.
I have changed. Yeah, yesterday.
Very good, very good. Okay, so we'll watch your SQL queries tomorrow in the first sessions. Okay, maybe we'll spend 10 to
Okay.
15 minutes, not more than this. Okay, I hope you'll also follow the same standard coding practice, right? So add just DBO and in your
Yeah,
store procedures and in tables, and
sure.
we'll go through your that two scenarios, and then I think
Yeah.
after that we'll not go in depth. Okay, as Suma said, right? So for city wise, category wise, we can go with in city again we can go with, I think we don't have that column, right? That gender, male or females. Again, in the city also we can go with the male
Mm-hmm.
gender wise as well. So there is lot of scenarios or possibilities that we can generate. But the idea is okay, maybe we can find 100 plus scenarios, but idea is not
Hmm.
to go for
Mm.
every single scenario. It will take next
Hmm.
100 days to do that everything, right? So the idea is very simple. Your foundation should be very strong, you understand, right? So if you understand the foundations, you can generate any reports, right? So let's say, Suma, I ask you to generate the reports based on the category wise, you can immediately do, right? So if I ask you to do
Hmm.
gender wise and city wise, even you can do.
Hmm.
It is just matter of
Yes.
adding that group by, है ना?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
idea is I want you guys to have the foundation very strong. You can generate n number of reports, but before that you have to understand the data, you have to understand the real time situations, scenarios, and you have to understand what business wants. Don't only
Hmm.
think about the writing SQL queries. Okay, just understand what business wants. Okay, so you can generate n number of reports based on this, right? I hope you are
Yes.
getting this confidence now, right? You can generate any reports, right?
Sir.
Even in
Yes, sir.
even interview, yeah, good. So even in the interview, if they ask you, right, any SQL, right, hey, can you help me to find for let's say for top three cities, and what are the best selling products in the okay in along with the top three cities, and you have to bifurcate this with the gender wise. Even they can give you
Hmm.
any complex scenario, you can write this query, right? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
sounds good. So that's confidence I want to
Sir,
build in you guys. Yeah.
I had one more doubt with one SP.
Mm-hmm.
This is, I guess, mm, this is by month wise for a specific year. Like I've done it,
Mm,
but I had like one doubt.
mm,
Like in select statement, you can see that month number and the year.
mm,
Like I've repeated it so many times, I started getting like confused. Like I got the SP, but
mhm.
if you see my this, it's looking very, um,
No, see.
how do I say?
Okay,
Yeah,
so your month number, and then you are doing the month specific. You find the month, and then you find the year.
yeah.
Where is your year in the select list?
So the
Yeah.
thing is, in where statement also I've mentioned, if you see here where, like here where
Yeah, yeah, correct.
this,
So
Mhm.
yeah, that's why you
and
are getting for
also
one month.
in select also I've done it. Like I'm repeating the same query so many times. So I
Mm,
thought like I want to, like
mhm.
I had this confusion. Like I don't know what is my confusion. Actually, I am getting confused now.
No, see, whenever you get confused, don't worry. Just try to understand
Yes.
the requirement again, what they're expecting. Okay, understand the problem
Yeah.
and go step by steps. If you, as I said right last time also, if you run this 10 lines of code, you will try to run the 100 lines of code, you will definitely get confused. So always go step by step. Okay, so first run the data,
Like
get,
here, I
yeah.
have two parameters. So like I've passed two parameters,
Hmm.
but the same two parameters, I've mentioned them in select statement also. Like you can see here, month number,
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
month number, and what's that?
Month name.
Date name, I guess.
Yeah, month you passed
Yeah,
in where
year,
condition.
year, I guess. Yeah. So we can do that. We can pass that in select statement also, as well as in where statement also. Can
Yeah,
we do that?
yeah, definitely you can do that. Okay, but when you're representing the reports, you that
Okay.
column is not required, right? Right now that column is there, that is fine. In the select list you're
Mhm.
adding this column in your SP, that is fine. But when you're representing to the end customer
Yeah.
in Power BI reports or on in
Hmm.
applications, will not show that column. Okay, so don't get confused with that column. You can
Yeah.
add n
Yeah.
number of column in your select list, and the same in the where list. You can remove from the select list, that is fine. Means if your confusion is that the
Okay.
column which is in my where column, where
Hmm.
conditions, that should be in the select list, so answer is no, it's not mandatory.
Ah, yeah.
It's not
Yes, sir.
mandatory.
That was my confusion. Yes.
Yeah, so
Okay,
if you
sir.
have the
Yeah.
you can filter based on the where conditions, that's not a problem. Even that column is
Mhm.
not available in your
Okay.
select list, that's absolutely fine. Okay, so how you can how you can clear that your confusion, just go with one single table, select star from customer. Okay,
Hmm.
and get customer ID and customer name, where city is this, right? So can you see that city is not in
Hmm.
the select list, but still I can filter the data.
Yeah.
Exactly. So
Yes, sir.
that's the way. Okay, just
Mhm.
always go with small steps, and it will help you to
Yes, sir.
clear your confusions. Okay, so don't worry on that part. Okay.
Yes.
So for this ASP, I think you have to pass 1 year, and for that year, you should get for one. Let's say you are passing for 1 month, 1 year. Let's say 2026. You should get on the data for a month wise for that. So this is what actually you are creating that.
This is month wise for a specific year, sir.
Exactly. So you just have to pass the
Yeah.
specific year. If I pass 2026, I should get the data for 12 months. If I pass
Yeah,
2024,
yeah.
I should get the 12 months data for that 2024. That's it. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
So just tweak this query and it will work. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Even if you need any guidance or support, you can take help from me or Sangram. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And complete this task and test all your ASPs. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So Sangram, your query will check tomorrow, and then we'll start our very
Yeah,
interesting
sir.
sessions. Okay.
Yes.
So can we start in the afternoon
Okay.
tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Maybe
When,
we
sir?
can maybe we can connect around 12:30. That's fine.
12:30. Yeah.
12:30.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. ठीक है चलेगा. We'll spend some more time tomorrow, and tomorrow we'll target to add some real time more data, and some we'll
Hmm.
enjoy some indexing, and then based on that I
Yes.
want you guys to finish two reports. One is your that Blinkit reports that we discussed yesterday, right?
Hmm.
So and one is that same kind of for Amazon kind of
Hmm.
reports we will generate for that sales and revenue, same. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that I want you guys to
Yes. Okay.
explore more on this Power BI reports. Actually, everything is given in step by step and the details, right, for that reports that I shared yesterday. So just go through that, and based on that we'll create same Power BI reports. It will be more interactive and it looks very real time, right? So that creates
Hmm.
impressions on the recruiters, and not about the
Yes.
impressions, but that should give you the satisfaction that you are working on some real time
Hmm.
projects or works that can give you the most satisfactions, right? So
Yes.
so
Yes, sir.
so we'll target by this before this Sunday. We have to finish these reports and check in into the GitHub and update your resume. All that steps you have to do by this Sunday. Okay. So from Monday,
Yes.
your job
Sure.
hunting should start. Okay. So the next week I will take some mock interviews again based on this what we learn. Okay. And
Yes.
if you are good on
Yes,
this,
sir.
then if you are good on this, then and only then I will start the second project. Okay. So before we go ahead, I want to see that if your all the concepts what we learn in this model, if it's clear or not. Okay, so do more practice on this Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so maybe in the next week I will
Yes.
take some mock interview with you guys. Okay, so just speed up.
Yes, sir.
speed up, guys. Okay, just expedite your learning. Utilize more times, because I want you guys to get a job as soon as possible, right? Why you wasting your salary for every month, right? That is big loss.
Yeah.
है ना?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Perfect, perfect. No worries, no rush. Okay, don't get overwhelming, or just enjoy the learning phase. Okay, we'll get job. Don't worry. We just focus on learning, and job will automatically come to you guys. Okay, you have to focus on what is in your hand, right? So what is in your hand? Learning, doing practice makes your hands dirty. Get confidence. Job will come to you. Don't worry.
Yes.
ठीक है? Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye. Take care.
Thank you,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay.
Bye
Thank you.
bye.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.